Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. And in today's video, I will show you how to log in or sign in to Telegram. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open Telegram on your device and tap Start Messaging. You will need access to a phone number to continue. So select your country and enter your phone number. Tap Next. A pop-up will appear. Check your phone number and tap Yes to confirm. Once you do that, a verification code will be sent to your phone number, and Telegram will automatically verify your number. Finally, add your password. If you forget your password, tap Forgot Password to reset it. When done, tap Next. So that's how you log in or sign in to Telegram. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.